Hello my dear students, again I would like to welcome you on this virtual classes. I hope you solved exercise 3.1, question number 1, multiply the following. Right, in previous video I solved A, B and H, remaining use. I hope you solve. Take a photos and send me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, today we will see question number 2, exercise 3.1, question number 2, multiply. What is given? Multiply. A given 834 by 6. 834 by 6. This is the question. Now means multiply is given, that means multiplication. So how to solve? As I said, first you have to make columns. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, sufficient. So draw the columns first with soft hand. It's only one digit number, so no need to extend. You can write 834. Before that, what I say, one line for this, one line for carrying, you will have to leave here. Okay, it will be easy for you, right? 834, 800, 100 is here, so 8 should be here. 834 multiplied by 6, so 6. Now solve. You know it's 6 table, so 6 4s are 24 or 4 6 are 24. So 4 here, remaining digits carry 2, carry here. Then to next digit, that is tens place. After ones place, tens place. So 6 3s are 18. 18 plus carry these 2. 18 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Or else orally 18 plus 2, 18, 19, 20. So 0 here, carry again 2. So now with 100 place number, 100 place digit. 6 8s are or 8 6s are 48. Plus carry 2, 48, 49, 50. Easy, no need to do like this. 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Same answer will come. So write here. Again, any digits are here? In 1000 place, 10,000 place, no. So, this is the last whole 50 you have to write here. Now, what is the answer? So, final answer you have to write like this. Therefore, 3 dots means therefore 834 by 6 is equal to, what is the answer? 5004. Understand? Now let's see next B. Here up to 1000 digits, means 4 digit number is there. Okay, now B. It's very easy once you understand, right? And multiplication needs tables. If you learn tables, अगर आपके टेबल लर्न है तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन वेरी इजी. टेबल नहीं है no multiplication. Understand? So learn tables. Okay, B. Again write ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Draw. It's very easy. Without columns, nobody will multiply. Understand? You have to draw columns first with soft hand. Right? Right. Now, 1289. First, we have to write question like this. Right? So, what is B? 1289 by 5. Then we have to arrange that number in columns. Okay. 1289. 1289 multiplied by 5. You know 5 is table. Now, say or else if you are jumbling that time or your mind is jumbling in tables, best way, what is that? I said draw the line in right side and write the table there. Means it will be easy for you to find out. But see, it will take time. Understand? You will write the table. Then you will arrange this and then you will solve. So instead of this, it is better to learn the table. Understand? And it's a one digit. You know, you learn in first standard or second standard. Right? Okay. So 5 nines are or 9 fives are 45. So 5 here, ones place digit is here. Next, whichever digits are there, carry to the tens place 4. Because why this is like this? See here. 4 we are multiplying to one digit number, means ones place digit number, and this is 45. 45 means 40 plus 5 and 5 I wrote here. 40 remains, so I wrote 4 where in tens place. So what is the place value of 4 here? 4 tens are 40. Is it? Understand? That's why carry should be forwarded to next place value. Understand? This is the meaning. और मे भी तुम में से कोई पूछ सकता है, आ सकता है क्वेश्चन, अरे हम लोग इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और कैरी नेक्स्ट नंबर के नेक्स्ट डिजिट के ऊपर क्यों लिखते हैं? तो इसका मीनिंग ये है कि सी हमने पहले वंस प्लेस को डिवाइड किया, मल्टीप्लाई किया, वंस प्लेस डिजिट, आंसर आया 45. 45 मींस व्हाट? 40 प्लस 5. तो 5 तो हमने यहां लिया, बचा 40. कहां लिखेंगे? इफ विल राइट हियर देन द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 4 विल बी 4. 40 कहां गया? इसीलिए हम टेंस प्लेस के ऊपर लिखे. नाउ द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 4 इज 40 because 4 is in tens place, so 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40. Understand? Okay. Now 5 8s or 8 5s are 40. So 40 plus this 4 carry. 40 plus 4 44. So 44 ये 4 here, this 4 carry. Understand? Now next 200 digit. 100 place 2 is here. So 5 2s are or 2 5s are Same answer. 10. 10 plus 4. Carry 4. 10 plus 4. 14. 4 here. Put comma. Carry 1. And 5. 1 is a 5. 1 5 is a 5. Plus 1. 6. So what is the answer? 6,445. Understand? So how to write? Therefore 1,289 by 5 is equal to 6,445. Understand? Okay. Any doubt? Are you able to solve remaining C and D, or else I can solve one? Okay, I will solve one. Right. I will write here. Now see. 3027 by 7. 3027 by 7 means, it means multiplication given there, means 3027 multiplied by 7. Understand? So ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. I think sufficient up to 10,000 place. Okay. Now draw the columns. Lining should be straight with the soft hand. Understand? Don't do it damp. Right. Now write. Three is in thousand place, and 27. Here tell me which place is missing here. Yes, 100 place is missing. That's why we put 0 here. Understand? So multiplied by 7. Now, same again. You know 7 7 or 7 49. Ones place is 9 is here. Carry 4. Oh, I forgot to leave 1 for carry. Right. 7 49. 4 9 here. Carry 4. 7 2s or 2 7s 14. 14 plus 4. 4 plus 4 8. 1 18. 8 here. Carry 1. Understand? Then next is 100 plus digit is 0. So 7 zeros are 0 plus carry 1. Carry 1. 7 zeros are 0 plus 1 1. Now next digit. 7 3s are only one digit remain. 1000 place digit. 7 3s are 21 or 3 7s are 21. So write 21 because there is no again digits. Right. So how to write answer? 3027 by 7 is equal to, there no place I am writing here, 21,189. Understand? So D is there. 5349 by 3. Same you have to write first, then draw the columns, arrange it, write the place value, arrange it and multiply properly. Okay, I hope you will solve this. Complete this exercise and take a snap and send me on my personal WhatsApp. Understand? Got it? Because one digit multiplication I put in examination. Very soon you will get a timetable of examination. Now already I sent the timetable. You got the timetable. Check it out, the group, right? And practice. If any query, you can send me on WhatsApp. Right? Your name and whichever queries are there, you can ask me. Okay? Thank you. We will see in the next video.